Okay, so if you clicked on this link, you're probably a little curious about what is failure to launch or how do we treat it. Well, first off, failing to launch is not a diagnosable disorder. It's a sort of this collection of issues that young people face when they have to transition between adolescence to adulthood or student to employed, and it's something that I see really commonly. And if you're struggling or failing to launch, you're probably experiencing some of these symptoms, right? Low motivation, fear of failure, lack of direction. You might not have the kind of life skills or sort of age-appropriate life milestones, such as getting a driver's license, going for romantic or intimate relationships, even though you might want to. And sometimes you might find yourself sort of struggling to persist in tasks, or that you tend to be a little bit more irritable or emotionally more sensitive. Now, some of these issues from a psychologist's perspective sound like symptoms of an underlying mental health disorder, right? So this could be depression or anxiety, or it could even be digital addiction. So if you're chronically addicted to gaming or to porn, you're going to get some issues in terms of planning for long-term future goals. If you're depressed, motivation is going to be an issue. And if you're anxious, well, anxiety often also makes you feel stuck because you don't pursue the kind of things that you want to pursue. So from my point of view, is that failure to launch is a really treatable condition. And sometimes it's sort of this lack of skill, like you might not have been taught how to launch. And it's something worth thinking about, right? Because if you're struggling, it might be that someone's thrown you to the deep end of adulthood. And you haven't been quite taught how to swim. Like there's no, and sometimes it might feel a bit unfair that you might see everyone else just sort of figure it out while you still quite haven't. And that's obviously a fixable thing. So, in my experience, and I used to be a award-winning university teacher, is that I used to see lots of bright students still struggle, because they still haven't made this connection. They haven't learnt the appropriate skills. They haven't learned how to cope with risk or with commitment or with the fear of failure or making genuine attempts. And it doesn't take much in order to get things sort of lined up right so that you can launch. So if you're struggling with this issue of someone who is, get in touch. I've got consulting rooms in Maroubra, Sydney, Australia, and also Skype appointments available as well. So other than that, take care and good luck launching.